Hello friends. Welcome back to the Bullion and beyond. This small copper coin in your pocket could be worth far more than you ever imagined. Today we are uncovering the truth behind the 2004 France 2 € coin and whether it could really be worth hundreds of millions of dollars or if that is just a myth spreading online. Stay with me because what you are about to learn might completely change how you look at your spare change forever. The 2 € coin from France, minted in 2004, is part of the early euro currency system introduced across Europe. These coins were produced in massive quantities when the euro became the official currency in many countries. France, being one of the founding members of the Eurozone, played a major role in minting these coins. Now let us talk about the design. On the obverse side of the coin you will see a beautiful depiction of a young Marianne. Marianne is a symbol of liberty and the French Republic. This design represents freedom and national pride. Surrounding the portrait are the 12 stars of the European Union, which symbolize unity among European nations. On the reverse side you will find the standard euro-cent design, which shows the value of the coin along with a globe highlighting Europe. This design connects all euro coins together across different countries. Now here comes the big question. Is this coin really worth $853 million? The simple answer is no. That number is not realistic for a common circulation coin. These coins were minted in extremely large numbers, which means they are not rare in most cases. However, do not lose hope yet. There are certain factors that can increase the value of this coin significantly. Let us break them down. First is condition. If your 2004 France 2 € coin is in mint condition or uncirculated, it can be worth more than its face value. Coins with no scratches, no wear and original shine are always more desirable to collectors. Second is mint errors. This is where things get interesting. If your coin has a minting error such as double strike off center design or unusual metal composition, then its value can increase dramatically. Error coins are rare and collectors are always searching for them. Third is special varieties. Sometimes small variations in design or production can make certain coins more valuable. These differences are often hard to spot, but they can make a big impact on price. Fourth is collector demand. The value of any coin depends heavily on how many collectors want it. If demand rises, prices can increase over time, especially for older euro coins from the early years. Now let us talk about realistic value. A normal circulated 2004 France 2 € coin is usually worth just a few cents to a couple of dollars at most. Uncirculated coins might reach a few dollars more. But rare error versions can sell for much higher prices depending on the uniqueness of the error. So where did the $853 million claim come from? In many cases such numbers are used in viral content to attract attention. They create excitement and curiosity, but they are not based on real market data. As a smart collector, you should always verify information before believing such claims. Here is what you should do right now. Take out your coins and carefully check them. Look for any unusual features or differences. Compare them with standard images online. If you think you have something special, consider getting it evaluated by a professional coin grading service. Coin collecting is not just about money. It is about history, art, and discovery. Every coin tells a story, and sometimes those stories can lead to valuable finds. Before we end this video, remember one thing. The real treasure is knowledge. The more you learn about coins, the better your chances of finding something truly valuable. If you enjoyed this video and want more hidden coin value secrets, make sure to subscribe to Bullion and Beyond. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And share this video with your friends, because who knows, they might be holding a hidden treasure right now.